Hello everybody, welcome to the part 2 video of the day 3 tour vlog of Meghalaya, where we first took you to Molinong, the cleanest village in Asia, and now we are heading towards Dauki, which is famous for the clear water river called Umangkot, and we will also be visiting to the nearby areas of Dauki. So finally we are out of Molinong and we are heading towards Dauki. लेकिन हमारा कुछ वक्त ज़ाया हो गया क्योंकि as you can see it's raining quite heavily here और हमारा गाड़ी जो है रास्ते पे पूरी तरह से फंस चुका था और कुछ लोकल लोग अगर हमारी मदद नहीं करते गाड़ी को कीचड़ से निकालने में तो अब तक शायद हम वहीं पे फंसे रहते. So I thank them from the core of my heart for being so helpful to the tourists. So let's move towards Dauki now. Here we are at the first tourist destination in Dauki and it is known as Wah Umangkot River, one of the cleanest rivers in India. Fun fact about Umangkot River. The small border town Dauki of Meghalaya is popular for its famous Umangkot River and a beautiful suspension bridge. It is a major tourist destination in Meghalaya. The water of Umangkot River is so clear that the boats floating on it look as if they are on a crystal glass surface. Dauki lies between India and Bangladesh and is the trade hub between the two countries. People come to this place to enjoy a boat ride in the Umangkot River and view the surrounding greenery. Umangkot River, the boat ride is a must-do thing. So when you visit Umangkot River next time, you must take the boat ride, and the prices actually differs from time to time and also person to person. On asking a particular person, he told me that per boat ride is between 800 to 1600 INR. However, the other person was telling me that it depends on per person and per person rate can differ from 800 to 1000 rupees. However, I was confused, so I didn't take the boat ride, but you can definitely try it when you visit here. The video right now you are watching is shared by one of my friends so that you can get a glimpse of how Dauki River looks during daytime. The bridge we are crossing now is taking us to the Bangladesh and India border. So let's go and see how the India and Bangladesh border looks. So here we are at the India-Bangladesh border gate, and as you can see, the truck is carrying some goods in it and taking it to Bangladesh. So as you can see, it's quite dark now. It's around 6:30 in the evening, and there are some other tourists too along with me who have come here to see the Bangladesh India border. It really looks like India Bangladesh Friendship Gate because everybody over here seems to be so calm and composed, and everybody is behaving in such a friendly way. So let us look closer. As we can see, our India's national symbol, yeah, it's written Satyameva Jayate over here. So here is what I was waiting for all of you to check out. This restaurant looks really unique, and as unique as it looks, it serves really yummy food, and whenever you come here you must check out this place because it serves really delicious food, guys. I don't know the name of this restaurant, but you will find it near the road. So the part 2 ends here. This is the view which we got while returning from Dauki to Shillong. Thank you so much for watching. Thanks for loving us and supporting us. Keep watching Destinasia Tours and Travels. Bye bye.